What's up, everybody? Welcome to Off-Roadigans. It's me, it's your boy. We got Team Theron over here working. So today what we're doing, last time that we shortened my drive shaft, we screwed up. We clocked it wrong. We weren't paying attention. So hopefully everyone knows how to remove a drive shaft. I'll show you how to do that if not. And then we'll show you how to fix it. And if you ever need to shorten your drive shaft or re-weld on the end of it where the U-joint is, we'll show you how to do it proper this time. You'll have 4 bolts there. 4 bolts there. You'll take that out. Remove your drive shaft. They look like that. Okay. Alright guys, so the process we're going to do for removing it today is we're going to use the CNC machine. Theron's hooking it up right now. We already started cutting into the weld. Basically, he's going to feed this in there, chips away, just real nice. We're going to cut the end of that off, and we're going to clock it right and re-weld it.
So to kind of explain what I'm doing, is I'm making sure that this stays at a 90 for this cutoff piece. That should be 3.
Alright, so we got a line right here, and what we did was we took the straight edge, and when this is attached, we went off the center of the eye and made a mark, and then we went on the center of our eye and made a mark. So when we cut it, we'll take this mark and line it up with this mark. That eye will be dead center with that eye.
Like it's supposed to be.
Like it's supposed to be, instead of opposite.
Oh, yeah, it moved. Ah.
Now that we got that taken out, your drive shaft will be left with a burr all the way around the inside. So we're basically going to throw it back in the machine, and we're going to ream the outside of it real quick.
Yep. Just a little cleanup, just because we're picky.
Yeah, it's bent. It's close enough for the chicks we date.
Oh man, I've been getting lucky.
And they call that squinching.
Squinching.
Is that your squinch bucket?
It's my squinch bucket.
Let's see. Before you clean it up, show the audience what Theron can do.
Halfway decent.
Hey, it's a weld.
It's a weld.
They pay him to do it.
Now, there you go. Now the most important part is painting it and covering up all your fuck-ups.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
That's a good weld, actually.
Always paint bare metal. Alright, there it is, all painted up. And that's it. And you just reinstall it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Another kick-ass day at the Off-Roadigans community. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you can, hit that little bell so you can get those future notifications for when we post new videos. We're going to try to post videos every week now. Off-Roadigans is really growing. Seriously, keep in touch. Keep in mind that we are getting merchandise made up. We're really going to get this thing going. We're going to launch the website here pretty soon. So, stay in touch and get ready for that stuff, guys. I hope you had a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Peace out. That's a wrap.